Welcome, students! Today, we're going to learn about Google hacking.
What is Google hacking, Professor?
Good question! The purpose of Google hacking is to use Google's search engine to access information on websites that is not intended to be seen by the general public. Google hacking is a clever but legal technique used by security professionals, ethical hackers, and unfortunately, black hats.
Does this mean that anybody can use Google hacking?
That's right. Google hacking has become very popular among security testers, ethical hackers, and unfortunately script kiddies and criminal hackers who all too well understand its value.
Professor, what would a hacker need to do in order to start Google hacking?
Well, they first need internet access and a web browser to begin. Also, there are different tools a hacker might use to accomplish their goals, but it's important to also understand how search engines operate. Search engines use web crawlers, which are bots that go into websites looking for new web pages through URLs, following links, updating old sites, and taking in all data that they find and dumping it into the search engine database. A database is an organized collection of data stored and accessed electronically like a library. And since web crawlers deposit data into a database, eventually all internet users will be able to access this data, like through a Google search. These web crawlers will go to any website they can get to, so it's up to webmasters or site owners to tell these bots to not access a specific page that is not intended to be seen by people.
So, does this mean that search engines are basically just big databases that are collections of all the websites available on the internet?
Absolutely right. Search engines make it simple to find information by providing helpful tools that search amongst the mass amount of data. These tools come in the forms of keywords and search operators, which all help to create a complex search criteria. Many of these keywords and Google's advanced search aims to utilize these tools to make it easier for the user to search for specific results.
What can we get from Google hacking?
A lot of things. You can find personal or financial information about someone, confidential data from companies, sensitive government information, user IDs, account login information, and even passwords. However, the main thing that hackers look for is the vulnerabilities or weaknesses in a website and server that can lead to a hacker successfully breaking into the website. And now, I will show an example of using Google hacking methods to find leaked user information. First, I'll try to search for some leaked information by searching leaked password and database. And as we see, there's nothing useful that pops out straight away, and we find some articles. Now, let's try manually using some Google search keywords by searching up leaked password and database with quotes surrounding them and specifying file type as PDF so that we can filter for PDFs only. As we see, we get this promising looking link, and when we click on it, we can see leaked emails and hashed passwords. Finally, let's try using Google Advanced Search tool by putting our keywords into the Find pages with this exact word or phrase field. Next, let's scroll down and select file type as a PDF. Now, as we see, when we search, we're presented with the same information as our manual search, except this way is much easier as we don't have to remember all available keywords that we can use. So, what have we learned today?
Well, Google hacking is a legal method of searching the web using different available tools to narrow down search results and to find the information we're looking for. We have access to many keywords and operators which can also be used with Google's advanced search.